Hey guys, okay, today we're doing a product review. Everybody's getting their grills ready. I've already got mine burning hot. They've been used for weeks, but you guys may want to clean them first. So I was in the barbecue forums on Facebook, and I was reading that the best way to clean like the gunk on the inside of your grill is to use this thing called Purple Power. Never heard of it before. I'm like, Purple Power? It's inexpensive. This whole thing was like $5. But it's really strong. So there's a lot of warnings that come with using this. Like, number one, don't use this on any surface. Like, don't use it on the grate. Clean the grate by hand with soap and water in the kitchen, outside, whatever. This is very toxic and strong. This is strictly on anything that food doesn't come in contact with. So like, you can do the whole inside of your lid and clean that, down in the bed, the perimeter, and then put your grate, and then you're gonna do a burn off. And I'll tell you about all that in a minute. But first, let's give this a test. I have all my supplies laid out, so let me show you how I'm doing this. All right, so this is what I have so far. I have the bucket of water, just room temperature or warm. Some clean towels that you don't mind destroying. These will not be used again in the house. Just keep them as like barbecue towels, okay, for cleaning the barbecue. I'm gonna wear some gloves. It recommends rubber gloves. I ain't got rubber gloves like the dish washing gloves you use, but I'm gonna use these just in case I drip on my hand. I don't want it coming in contact with my skin. And I've got a small sample of the Purple Power in this spray bottle. Okay, so here's the lid that I am going to be cleaning. So the first thing they do is say test an area. So I'm just gonna test an area right here and see if that works. There. All right, so now I've got my wet rag here. Let's wipe away and see if it does anything. And who knows, maybe, oh, there it is. That's our test spot. It's supposed to be up here. Give it a second. I'm not seeing it cleaning all that gunk off. It looks like that's the original color of my lid, but it's really not taking it off easy. All right, here's the last test here. I literally have a Scrub Daddy and Dawn dish detergent. Okay? That's all I'm gonna do. This is probably what, if I didn't have the Purple Power, I was just gonna do this. And then Scrub Daddy on it. All right, let's wipe it away. Scrub Daddy did about the same as Purple Power, which still isn't getting it all off. Nothing really tears through that. I never had an issue with cleaning my lid, ever. I just let it burn in. But I wanted to see if it worked. Okay, so now I'm a little frustrated because neither one worked to get the grime off the lid. And I guess I'm turning to you guys now. What do you use to clean the inside of your barbecue? Not the grill, but the gunk buildup everywhere else. And do you even bother? Or do you just let it cake on and cook in and then 10 years later buy a new one? I don't know. So talk to me down in the comment section below. Purple Power, yeah, $5, it ain't even worth that. You can just use dish detergent or just leave it. But I'm curious to see what you guys think. That's it, guys. I can't recommend Purple Power. Sorry about that. It was a failure in my mind. And I will talk to you guys in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.